Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to accept friends requests on Facebook. So after you open Facebook, you go there and then you go to friends. And then you can see your friend request there. And if you want to see more, you go to see all on the top right, and then you can just scroll down and see your friend request. And to accept, you can just press confirm, the blue button, and then request is accepted. So and if you don't want to accept, you want to delete, you can just press delete the next to the confirm button, and then their request is removed. As you can see on the right of their name, there is the three dots there. So you can just press on it to block or report that person. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.